Hey everyone, welcome back to the Lantu e-bike channel. Today we're checking out a new model. Let's talk about its features. This e-bike is incredible. It offers a ton of speed and power. This model features both pedal assistance and a throttle. It includes a 48-volt 15-ampere battery which provides up to 30 miles of range, which is great for most riders. If you need more range or plan to utilize the throttle more often, you can purchase an additional battery to double your range. The 750-watt high-speed powerful motor provides you with great power when you climb mountains, giving you more speed, more freedom and more fun. It comes with a 20x4-inch tire with great traction that's going to be able to work in a variety of terrains. It also has a dedicated rear seat here, and the saddle allows you to put a passenger in the back. It also has hydraulic brakes with 180mm discs. The headlamp is large, and it's also super bright. It also comes with full fenders, making them perfect for blocking the mud, water, and grime that you encounter while out riding. We offer it in different colors, and one sample is available. We ship bikes directly to your door, so only minor assembly is required. Once your bike arrives, you will need to install the pedals, front wheel, and attach the handlebar. That's it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe us. We'll continue to upload more videos, so catch up with you guys later.